Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B0020-11 error code indicates a short-to-ground condition affecting the left side airbag inflator in the 2023 Honda Accord. The SRS, or Supplementary Restraint System, is responsible for airbag deployment in the event of an accident. This system detects unusual voltage levels along the detection line, signaling an abnormal condition and leading to the storage of this diagnostic trouble code. Components involved in this issue include the driver's side airbag, external circuit wiring, and the SRS unit. Understanding how these components interact is crucial for effective troubleshooting. Review relevant SRS precautions and procedures before conducting any diagnostic tests. The left side airbag and the SRS unit are integral components of the Honda Accord safety system. The airbag's function is to inflate rapidly upon a collision to protect the driver. Located in the steering wheel or dashboard, the driver's side airbag is activated by the SRS unit when specific conditions are met. If the detection line experiences voltage that exceeds set thresholds, the SRS unit identifies this discrepancy and logs the DTC B0020-11. This anomaly usually suggests that there may be a short circuit either in the external wiring or within the airbag assembly itself. It's vital to ensure that all components are correctly installed, especially after any previous repairs or collisions. Several factors might lead to the development of the DTC B0020-11 in your Honda Accord. A short in the wiring, specifically between the LFSA Plus and LFSA Minus connections, is a primary suspect. This could be caused by physical damage to the wiring harness due to wear and tear or an improper installation. Alternatively, a defective driver's side airbag could trigger the code, whereby the airbag fails to conduct properly, necessitating immediate inspection and possible replacement. Another potential cause is an issue with the SRS unit itself, which may not accurately register the status of these components, further complicating the diagnosis. Correct identification of the defect is essential for effective repair. Symptoms associated with the DTC B0020-11 may include the illumination of the airbag warning light on the dashboard. This warning indicates that the SRS system has detected an anomaly and is non-operational, which can compromise occupant safety. Additionally, the presence of the error code on the vehicle's diagnostic system signifies a critical issue needing prompt attention. These symptoms are critical indicators, alerting the driver about potential airbag dysfunction. Such malfunctions could lead to the airbag failing to deploy in the event of a collision, thus increasing the serious risk of injury during an accident. Thus, recognizing these symptoms early is key to ensuring vehicle safety. The first step in troubleshooting the DTC B0020-11 involves performing a confirmation procedure to assess the current condition of the vehicle's SRS system. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on position and allowing it to sit for approximately 10 seconds. This brief wait allows the system to run initial diagnostic checks. If the DTC B0020-11 is not present after this step, it indicates that the driver's side airbag is functioning normally, implying that the problem may lie within other related components in the SRS circuit. Conversely, should the DTC reappear, further inspection of the driver's side airbag and associated circuitry is warranted, guiding the technician toward a specific course of action. In this step, you will inspect the driver's side airbag to confirm that the component itself is working correctly. Initially, disconnect the driver's side airbag inflator connector to isolate the airbag from the SRS system. This disconnection is crucial for safety. especially since SRS systems are sensitive to inadvertent deployment. After disconnection, perform a continuity test to ascertain whether the circuit is intact or has experienced a break in continuity. If continuity exists, it validates that the airbag itself is functional, thus redirecting the troubleshooting to other components. Conversely, if continuity is found lacking, this points to a malfunctioning airbag, which will need to be replaced. Next, you will move to inspect the LFSA Plus and LFSA Minus circuits for any shorts to ground. Begin this step by preparing the SRS unit connector B, ensuring it is safely disconnected from the system. Once prepared, visually inspect the wiring connected to these terminals for any signs of damage or wear, which could be indicative of shorts. Utilize appropriate test equipment to measure the resistance and check for continuity. You are looking for a resistance of more than 1 megaohm under the off condition, which indicates that the circuits are not shorted. If resistance falls below this threshold, further investigation into the circuit is warranted as it presents a circuit fault that could be contributing to the DTC B0020-11 reading. The final step in the troubleshooting process involves evaluating the SRS unit itself. If previous tests on the driver's side airbag and associated wiring yield normal results, the focus will shift to the SRS unit. An in-depth inspection here is crucial, as this is the central hub that interprets data from multiple airbag components. Using diagnostic tools, check for error codes and corresponding diagnostic results related to the SRS, ensuring the unit is in proper working order. Any faults detected at this stage may indicate that the SRS unit itself requires replacement. It's essential to ensure that this unit is operable to re-establish the integrity of the vehicle's airbag system. Upon completion of the necessary repairs related to DTC B0020-11, it is critical to perform a final repair verification to ensure all systems function correctly. Begin by clearing the stored DTC from the onboard diagnostic system to reset any error information. After clearing the code, proceed to test the airbag's functionality by conducting additional diagnostic checks to verify if the airbag deploys as required under safety simulation conditions. It's essential to ensure that the airbag warning light is no longer illuminated, signaling the successful reset of the SRS system. This step provides peace of mind that the issue has been fully resolved, ensuring the vehicle's safety systems are operational. Preventive maintenance plays an essential role in the longevity and reliability of the SRS systems, like that in the Honda Accord. Regular inspections should include visual checks of the wiring that connects to the airbags and the SRS unit to catch any potential hazards, such as fraying or degradation over time. It's also beneficial to have periodic diagnostics conducted by certified professionals who have experience working with SRS systems. Such checks will help identify any emerging issues before they escalate into more serious faults, ensuring the safety systems remain functional. Comprehensive preventative maintenance strategies help maintain the integrity of the vehicle's overall safety features. In summary, accurate identification and prompt troubleshooting of DTC B0020-11 is crucial for maintaining your Honda Accord's safety functions. As noted, understanding the role of each component involved is vital when addressing issues or examining symptoms related to airbag deployment failures. Following the specified troubleshooting steps helps isolate the problem dramatically, whether it's a faulty airbag, wiring issues, or a malfunctioning SRS unit. After repairs, run thorough checks and verifications to ensure the SRS system is back to its optimal condition. Ultimately, proactive management of this system is essential for your vehicle's safety and performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.